Hey, what's up, man?
Oh, son of a bitch, who's at the door, man?
Hey, what you doing, man?
Oh, tell you the truth, I was in here smoking on some crack, bud.
Smoking on some crack, man. Can I have some, man?
Yeah, cheaper, man.
You gotta get high, man.
It's cheaper to be smoking the cheaper.
Smoke the cheever, man.
Fucking leave it to beaver.
Leave it. Leave it to Beaver, man. I haven't seen that dude for a long time, man. He was gone.
No, he's been arrested for meat cleavers
Damn, man, in the bin, man.
and street sweepers.
Yeah, man. That's some fuck. That's some. That's some fucked up shit, man.
And 93 beepers.
Yeah, man. That's so. What's been going on, man?
Well, I smoke crack, and then I go take a shit, and then I go smoke crack again, and then I eat, but then I throw up, and then I smoke crack, so I gotta eat again, and then I throw up and smoke crack one more time. I watch a little Wheel of Fortune.
That's some fucked up shit, man. What happened to you, man?
Well, something happened because the pipe is always in my hand and the lighter, and I've been getting fucked up.
You need to get off that crack, man.
Oh, that crack's all I need, Bob.
That's all you need, man. Well, that's cool, man. I'll get you fucked up, man. Gonna smoke some cheaper, man. Yeah, man.
Want some of this cheaper cheaper?
Yeah, let me hit this shit. Yeah, I can't breathe. I can't breathe,
Are you
man.
breathless?
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe. I'm
I
breathing.
can't breathe, man.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
That's it, man. Shit, wow, I just had experience, man. He just went pow, man. Like, boop. Yeah, man.
Oh, excuse me for a minute. I'm gonna go smoke some more crack.
Okay, man, it's all good, man. Whatever, man. Yeah, man.
Oh yeah.